Thinking about switching your commercial recycling or waste service? With Evergreen, it's fast, simple, and hassle-free. Just give us a call or request a call back. One of our DFW-based team will be in touch, usually within 24 hours. We'll assess your needs, recommend the right solution, and if needed, schedule delivery and installation of any equipment you may need. Need a trailer, open top, or self-contained unit? We can usually deliver those within 24 hours. Compactors and balers are installed on a timeline that fits your schedule. We make the switch seamless so there's no disruption to your operations and no wasted time. Faster, more responsive service, reliable equipment, and quick and efficient maintenance. Switching to Evergreen is easier than you think.